Hi there, I'm Amber from the Navitas Safety Account Management team, and I'm here to show you how Navitas Digital Food Safety can support you to make your food safety management simple. Our digital food safety kits are made up of integrated hardware and software which you can tailor to suit your business needs. We have our digital food safety software which simplifies and digitises your FSMS and HACCP, making it all available in one digital location, accessible from anywhere. We recommend one software subscription per kitchen. Our wireless temperature monitoring smart pods, which sit inside your fridge and freezer appliance to remotely record temperatures around the clock, sending the data into your software automatically via one of our hubs. We recommend a pod for each of your appliances and then one hub to connect them all together. Our food temperature smart probes, which have all your staff, supplier, menu and HACCP information built in to simplify temperature monitoring processes from goods in to service. We recommend one smart probe per kitchen. I'll give you a quick walkthrough of our digital food safety software now so you can see it in action. Welcome to the Navitas Digital Food Safety Dashboard. From here you can action any tasks that you can do on a day-to-day basis and resolve any temperature related or appliance monitoring issues. This section here is your action window. This is the only area that your staff need to worry about on a day-to-day basis. All of your daily checklists and tasks sit here and can simply be completed by clicking the orange complete button. You'll notice down the left-hand side everything is red or green. Anything green is compliant and anything red is non-compliant. At the bottom here you also have a real-time dashboard of all of your appliance temperatures. The data from our wireless temperature monitoring smart pods pulls directly into here so you can get updated temperatures every 30 minutes. Or if you don't have these and you're adding the temperatures manually, you can just do so by clicking Add Appliance Temperature here. This will then update the widgets as well. I'm going to show you what would happen if a non-compliant appliance temperature is recorded. This could be via the smart pods or manually. For the purpose of the demo, I'm just going to do this manually. I'm going to start by clicking Add Appliance Temperature. I can then choose any of my appliance options to adjust. Once the non-compliant temperature is recorded, an alarm will start going off within the software and the widget will go red and start flashing. If this happens, all your staff need to do is click Resolve to resolve that temperature issue. They would then need to simply choose their name from a drop-down list, click Resolve and then provide a reason why the fridge temperature was non-compliant. To complete your daily checklist, you can choose them from the Action dashboard here. Simply click Complete, go through and answer the prompts. All questions can be set to be automatically marked as yes for speed, so staff only have to mark them if standards are not met. Or, if staff mark answers as no, you can set conditional questions that appear to gain more detailed responses, like why the action was not done. If you want the same checklist across multiple sites, you also have the option to add a non-applicable response, and you can also add any imagery in if you want to. We do have 17 pre-built checklists already in the software, as well as our checklist builder, so you can create your own tailored checklists. To submit the checklist, all you need to do is simply sign off the checklist and upload any supporting evidence if necessary. You can view and manage checklists from the diary. You can see here, completed checklists turn green and get marked with a thumbs up. Missed and non-completed checklists turn red, the clock symbol. Some checks have a specific time assigned to them so that you can choose exactly what time those checks open for completion. Once that time period has passed, they will then turn red and be marked as non-compliant. You can filter the diary by checklists, cleaning schedules, compliance diary and actions. You can also filter them by completed and not completed as well, making it really easy to see at a glance what checks have been done and not done on a daily basis. You also have the option to store your HACCP within our digital food safety software, as well as all your records. You can view your HACCP here. We provide a general catering HACCP that you're welcome to use as shown here. You can also upload your own or build your HACCP directly into the system if you don't have a visual PDF version. Now I'm going to show you our Smart Probe simulator. This is what the front screen of your Smart Probe will look like when you log in, automatically pulling all the information from your digital food safety software. All you need to do is follow the instructions that appear on the probe. I'm going to follow a goods in process for now to show you what options are available as part of the process. So start by clicking goods in. If you'd like, you can set PIN numbers, but this is not required if you don't want to. Then you can select which supplier you've received your goods in delivery from. It'll then ask you to select what type of food it is before showing you your product options. This can be a list of all the items that you get from a supplier, or you can group them as part of folders like this. Once you've selected the item you're currently receiving as part of the goods in process, the smart probe will then take a temperature, either using the built-in infrared or the needle attachment. This is just a demo simulation, so the temperatures here aren't valid. Click Submit when the temperature is recorded and you'll be asked these questions to check whether the delivery is acceptable or not. You can then say if the items are date coded, or if you have a company policy about mandatory shelf life, you can pop that in here as well. Once you've answered all your questions, simply click Submit. The smart probe is really clever and can tell you when answers don't match your HACCP and are non-compliant, so it will ask you to select a corrective action. You can either select this from preset drop-down options that can be set up in the system to make the process even simpler for your team, or simply free text type. All the data is then automatically popped into the system for you to access whenever you need. I hope you found this video helpful. Let us know if there's anything else you'd like us to show you about our digital food safety. Thank you for your time.